Hi friends. So today I wanted to discuss about the second part of the NEET phase 2 uh, phase 2 of 2020. So this examination I've already uploaded one video, the part 1 video of it. So this examination was conducted for those students who were suffering from corona and they couldn't take up the NEET examination. A second time in 2020, this phase 2 NEET examination was conducted especially for those students. So I'm discussing the second part of that paper. Majorly the questions that I'll be discussing here is from the zoology part. So already I've completed 45 questions. Now the remaining 45 questions I'll be discussing here. So the rate of decomposition is faster in the ecosystem due to the following factors, except so detritus rich in sugar, detritus warm and moist environment, presence of aerobic soil microbes. See, detritus richer in lignin and chitin are slower to decompose because of this presence of these chemicals, lignin and chitin. So this is going to reduce the decomposition rate. It is going to reduce it. So fourth one is the option, except detritus richer in lignin and chitin, which are not faster decomposition. They are slow decomposition. For the commercial and industrial production of citric acid, which of the following or microbes is used? Aspergillus niger. So this is from microbes in human health, human welfare, isn't it? So very easy answer, Aspergillus niger. So which of the following STDs are not curable? So genital herpes, hepatitis B, and HIV infection are not curable. All the three are not curable. Whereas in the other option, chlamydiasis, syphilis, genital warts, they're all treatable. Chlamydiasis, syphilis, okay, or HIV, gonorrhea, trichomoniasis, they are treatable. So here, one or two of them are not treatable. All the three are not curable in the first option. So the first option is the right one. So spooling we usually do to isolate the DNA after treating them with chilled ethanol. Okay, so the collection of isolated DNA. So spooling is, it's not amplification of DNA, is polymerase chain reaction. It is not that. Cutting of separated DNA bands from the agarose gel, electrophoresis, even that is not there. Transfer of separated DNA fragments to synthetic membranes, southern blotting technique, that is also not the option. So spooling is collection of isolated DNA. The phenomenon of evolution of different species in a given geographical area, starting from a point and spreading to other habitats, we call it as adaptive radiation. So finch birds in Galapagos Islands, okay, they're all examples for adaptive radiation. Saltation is single large step mutation which leads to the formation of new species. Okay, so these three are not the definition of it. Adaptive radiation is the phenomenon of evolution of different species in a given geographical area, starting from a point and spreading to other habitats. So that is what we call it as adaptive radiation. The best example for pleiotropy is phenylketonuria, PKU, we call it as. So the best example for pleiotropy is phenylketonuria. Okay. 97th, identify the parts of the foregut in correct sequence. Mouth, esophagus, pharynx, crop, gizzard, it is wrong. It should be pharynx next. Mouth, crop, it is also wrong. Mouth, gizzard is also wrong. After mouth, it should be pharynx. After pharynx, it should be esophagus. After esophagus, it is crop, and finally gizzard. So this is the right answer for the question. Okay. So match the following columns and select the correct option. This is from chemical coordination topic. So pituitary hormone. So they are peptides made up of peptides and proteins. Epinephrine, they are biogenic amines. So the emergency hormone or adrenaline hormone, it is biogenic amine. Endorphin, it is a neuropeptide. It is a neuropeptide. Cortisol, steroid. So the steroidal hormone is cortisol. Okay, so this option you find it in A, the second one. A is 3, B is 4, C is 2, D is 1. So pituitary hormone, peptides and proteins. Epinephrine, it is biogenic amine, endorphins, neuropeptide, cortisol is steroid. So which of the following options does correctly represents the characteristic feature of phylum Annelida? It is a segmented worm, so that we should keep in mind. Triploblastic, unsegmented body and bilaterally symmetrical. Triploblastic, segmented body and symmetrical is the correct answer. So triploblastic, segmented body and bilaterally symmetrical is the correct answer for Annelida or the segmented worms. Okay, the remaining are all incomplete answers. Triploblastic, flattened body and acoelomate condition. Diploblastic, mostly marine and radially symmetrical. So Annelida, it is triploblastic, segmented body and bilaterally symmetrical. So second one is the correct option. Dragonflies, they get rid of aphids and mosquitoes. Bacillus thuringiensis, they are biocontrol agents of Lepidopteran plant pest. Glomus, they absorb phosphorus from soil. Baculoviruses, narrow spectrum insecticidal applications. So A is 2, B is 4. A is 2, B is 4. There is only one option, fourth one. So A is 2, B is 4, Glomus is 5, C is 5, D is 3. So fourth option is the correct one. Intrinsic factor that helps in the absorption of vitamin B12 is secreted by white oxyntic cells. Okay. Third one, hormones stored and released from neurohypophysis or the posterior lobe of pituitary gland is oxytocin and vasopressin. They don't secrete, they are stored and released. Secretions is from hypothalamus. Okay, vasopressin is also called as antidiuretic hormone. So just remember about this oxytocin and vasopressin. Match the following columns and select the correct option. Column 1, typhoid, Salmonella typhi. 1D, malaria, Plasmodium vivax. 2C, pneumonia, Haemophilus influenza. So 3A. Fourth one, filariasis, Wucheria bancrofti. Okay, first one is a correct option. So typhoid is Salmonella typhi, 1D. Malaria is Plasmodium vivax, 2C. Pneumonia, 3A. Okay, filariasis, Wucheria bancrofti, 4B. 4B. So first one is the correct option. In human beings, at the end of 12 weeks, first trimester of pregnancy, the following is observed. So you find that the most of the organ systems are formed during the first 12 weeks or the first trimester of pregnancy. Most of the major organ systems are formed. Second one is the correct option. Match the following columns and select the correct options. Rods and cones, photoreceptor cells. It is 3. Blind spot is absence of rods and cones, that is photoreceptor cells. Fovea. Okay. So the fovea are cones are densely, see fovea cones are densely packed. Iris, visible colored portion of the eye. So these are the uh, correct options for it that we should have. So D4, A3, B1, A3, B1, D4. So this is the first one is the correct option. So rods and cones are photoreceptor cells. Blind spot is absence of photoreceptor cells. Fovea cones are densely packed. Iris is visible colored portion of the eye. Okay, so first option is correct. Next one, the size of pneumonia-like organism PPLO is zero point 0.1 micron. So it should be in micron. Probably they have not been able to show the micron symbol. So typographical error. It should be zero point 0.1 micron. Fourth one is the answer. So the proteolytic enzyme renin. Renin is used for digestion of milk, especially in young infants. They are more. So they are found in the gastric juice in the stomach. That is gastric juice in the stomach. So the proteolytic enzyme renin is found in gastric juice. So match the following group of organisms with their respective characteristics and select the correct option. So platyhelminthes, they are flatworms. Okay, so they are bilaterally symmetrical with incomplete digestive system. So they don't have a complete digestive system. Echinoderms are radial symmetry with indirect development. So A3B4. So A3B4 option is here. C, cylindrical body with no segmentation. D, it is second one, warm-blooded animals with direct development. So first option is the correct match for this. Match the following. So A3, B4, C1, D2. So this is the correct option. Cyclosporin A, which is used as immunosuppression agent, is produced from Trichoderma polysporum. So it's a direct answer. Again, this is from microbes in human welfare. So Trichoderma polysporum. So cyclosporin A is obtained from Trichoderma polysporum. Select the correct statement from the following. So gel electrophoresis is used for amplification of a DNA segment. This is wrong. It should be PCR. The polymerase enzyme joins the gene of interest and the vector DNA. So it is ligase enzyme, not polymerase. So this is also wrong. Restriction enzyme digestions are performed by incubating purified DNA molecules with the restriction enzymes at optimum conditions. So this is the correct statement. So the correct statement is restriction enzyme digestions are performed by incubating purified DNA molecules with the restriction enzymes of at optimum conditions. Okay. So PCR is used for isolation and separation of gene of interest. That is wrong. So third one is the only correct statement. Remaining 1, 2, and 4 are incorrect statements. So the increase in osmolarity from outer to inner medial medullary interstitium is maintained due to close proximity between Henle's loop and vasa recta. That is also true. So there is a close proximity. So how is it increased? Osmolarity, close proximity between Henle's loop and vasa recta, counter current mechanism. So these are the two reasons for osmolarity from outer to inner medullary interstitium. So you have to the excretion and removal of waste. So in that chapter, so you'll be coming across this. So the excretion chapter, excretory system. So 1 and 2 are the correct options. Okay, the increase in osmolarity is because of close proximity between Henle's loop and vasa recta and counter current mechanism. Okay, so 1 and 2. So fourth one is the right option, 1 and 2. The yellowish fluid colostrum secreted by mammary glands of mother during the initial days of lactation as abundant antibodies to protect the infant. This type of immunity is called as passive immunity. Okay, it is a passive immunity. It is not. It is a type of passive immunity. Okay, it's not active or the other things, acquired immunity or autoimmunity. So it's a passive immunity. So the milk, the food source that the young infant consumes has abundant antibodies or ready-made antibodies are there. The body need not have to prepare the antibodies. Okay, so the colostrum or first milk. So that has this passive immunity because of abundant antibodies. Antibodies. It is ready-made in the uh, milk. So that is what you have to remember it as an example for passive immunity. So grinding of the food particles. So it takes place in proventriculus. Secrete gastric juice. Okay. So it is taking place in hepatic cecal. 10 pairs of spiracles. Anal cerci. It is on the 10th segment. So 10 pairs of spiracles. Anal cerci is on 10th segment. Secrete gastric juice in hepatic ceca. Grinding of the food particles is in the proventriculus. So this is in case of cockroach. They have asked it. You have to match them. Okay. RNA interference is used for which of the following purposes in the field of biotechnology, especially the nematode pest to control them. Okay, so the Meliodine incognita is used. So to develop a plant tolerant to abiotic stresses, to develop a plant resistant pest resistant plant against infestation by nematode like Meliodine incognita. Okay, 114th. Second one, RNA interference is used for which of the following purposes in the field of biotechnology? It is to develop a pest resistant plant against infestation by nematode. Second one. So 114th is over. 115th, E. coli has only 4.6 into 10 to the power of 6 base pairs and completes the process of replication within 18 minutes. Okay, then the average rate of polymerization is approximately. So E. coli has only 4.6 into 10 to the power of 6 base pairs and completes the process of replication within 18 minutes. Okay, then the average rate of polymerization, so you have to calculate it per second. So you have to divide it by 18 into 60. Okay, so then you have to calculate that 18 into 60, then you have to calculate it. The average rate of polymerization is approximately, so the it is, so 4.6. How many base pairs are synthesized? That is what they are asking. So we have to divide it by 18. So to find out in 1 minute, then we have to 18 into 60 we have to divide by, because it is number of pairs per second. So it comes to around 2000 base pairs per second. So 18 into 6. Okay. So 108 uh, 0. So you defer that. So we are using that. You have to calculate and find out it is 2000 base pairs per second. Okay. So it is, the average rate of polymerization is approximately 2000 base pairs per second when you calculate it. Progesterone alone or in combination with estrogen can be used as a contraceptive in the form of implants only, injections only, pills, injections, and implants. So, progesterones alone or in combination with estrogen can be used as a contraceptive in the form of pills, injections, and implants. It can happen in all the three. So, third one is the correct option. According to Central Pollution Control Board, what size of particulate is responsible for causing greater harm to human health? So it is the size of 2.5 micrometers of particulate is dangerous and causes great harm to human health. So 2.5 micrometers it is. So the total lung capacity is the total volume of air accommodated in the lungs at the end of a forced inspiration. So forced inspiration. So the total volume of air accommodated in the lungs at the end of a forced inspiration. This includes residual volume, expiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, and inspiratory reserve volume. So all four will be there. So residual volume, so the total lung capacity is residual volume, which is normal breathing, the amount of air that is taken. Expiratory reserve volume, the excess of air taken left out after expiration. So we call it as expiratory reserve volume, tidal volume, and inspiratory reserve volume. So all the four of them. So the total lung capacity is the total volume of air accommodated in the lungs at the end of a forced inspiration, which includes these four factors. Select the correct option of haploid cells from the following group. So which of them will be having haploid cells? You should know here. Primary oocyte, secondary oocyte, spermatid. So spermatid is haploid, secondary oocyte is haploid, but not primary oocyte. So secondary spermatocyte, first polar body ovum, all the three of them are haploid. So this is correct. Okay, so these are haploid cells. All of them are haploid. So second one is the correct option. During meiosis 1, in which stage synapses takes place? It is in the zygote stage, isn't it? So leptotin, zygotin, packaging, diplotin, and diakinesis, these are the 5 stages. So the synapses, the pairing up of homologous chromosomes, it happens during the zygotin stage. So match the following columns and select the correct option. Smooth endoplasmic reticulums, lipid synthesis. Rough endoplasmic reticulum, protein synthesis. So A2B1. So A2B1, only one option is there, first one. So you can identify the remaining from this. Golgi complex, so it is glycolization. Centriole, it is involved in spindle formation. A2B1, C3, D1, D4. So C3, D4. So this is the correct option. Select the correct statement. So three statements are wrong, one is correct. Atrial natriuretic factor increases the blood pressure. It is wrong. So yeah, angiotensin 2 is a powerful vasodilator. That is also wrong. Counter current pattern of blood flow is not observed in vasa recta. That is also wrong. So the correct statement is reduction in glomerular filtration rate activates juxtaglomerular cells to release renin. So reduction. So fourth one is the correct statement. Reduction in GFR, glomerular filtration rate, activates the juxtaglomerular cells to release renin. So the fourth one is correct. Which of the following is associated with decrease in cardiac output? Okay, is it sympathetic nerves or parasympathetic neural signals? See, sympathetic nerves increases the cardiac output. Parasympathetic, it brings back to normal, so it decreases the cardiac output. So parasympathetic neural signals. Inbreeding depression is reduced fertility and productivity due to continued close inbreeding. So this is what causes inbreeding depression. Reduce fertility and productivity due to continued close inbreeding. It causes this inbreeding depression. Fourth one is the correct answer. So that is from uh, strategies for enhancement on food production. That topic it is there. So select the incorrectly matched pairs from the following. Chondrocytes. So it is collar cells, not smooth muscle cells. Then neurons, nerve cells, fibroblasts, areolar tissue, osteocytes, bone cells. First one, chondrocytes, it is the uh, collar cells. So smooth muscle cells is wrong. So first one is the odd one or incorrectly matched pairs. The laws and rules to prevent unauthorized exploitation of bioresources are termed as biopatenting, bioethics, uh, bioengineering, biopiracy. So the biopatenting, the laws and rules to prevent unauthorized exploitation of bioresources are termed as biopatenting. Okay. Match the following column and select the correct option. Ovary. So ovary produces the estrogen and progesterone. So let me look at it properly. So the uh, Leydig cells is also there. Ovary, so is going to be the A2, so estrogen and progesterone. Placenta is going to produce human chorionic gonadotrophin, HCG, you can remember it as. Corpus luteum, so is going to produce the progesterone only, C4. So A2, B1, C4, D3. So ovary produces estrogen and progesterone, placenton, HCG, that is human chorionic gonadotropin. Corpus luteum produces progesterone only. Leydig cells produces androgens. So fourth one is the correct option. Next one, match the following columns and select the correct option. Here the generic names they have given. So you have to identify the common names for it. So the uh, aptenodites. Okay. So aptenodites is penguin, Pteropus, flying fox, Pterophyllum. So aptenoditis is penguin. So you should remember the scientific name also. Pteropus is flying fox. Pterophyllum is angelfish. Petromyzon is lamprey. D is 3. Okay. So the option which is correct is A4, B1, C2, D3. Aptenodytes is penguin. Pteropus is the the flying fox. Pterophyllum is angelfish. Petromyzon is lamprey. So Pterophyllum is angelfish. Petromyzon is lamprey. So the third option is correctly matched. A hominid fossil discovered in Java in 1891, now extinct, having cranial capacity of about 900 cc, was Homo erectus, Neanderthal man, Homo sapiens, Australopithecus. So Homo erectus or the Java man, so a cranial capacity of 900 cc was discovered in Java. So Homo erectus is the answer. So match the following events that occur in the respective phases of cell cycle and select the correct option. So G1 phase. So that is, so what is happening in the G1 phase? S phase is DNA replication. Select that occurs in the cell cycle and select the correct option. See, the S phase is 2 itself. B is 2. Only one option is there. So G phase, cell growth and organelle duplication. S phase, DNA replication and duplication. G2 phase, cytoplasmic growth. Metaphase, alignment of chromosomes. So fourth option is correct. See, all the options are correctly matched. None of them are mismatched. You might get such sort of questions also. So don't be under the impression that they should always be mismatched. They can be correctly matched and they might ask you to find the correct one just to confuse you. So this is a classic example of such question. So G1 phase, cell growth and organelle duplication. S phase, DNA replication. G2 phase, cytoplasmic growth. Metaphase in M phase, alignment of chromosomes. So fourth option, A1, B2, C3, D4 is the correct answer. So match the following columns and select the correct option. Pneumotaxic center. So what is it concerned with? So pneumotaxic center, it is a pons region of brain. Oxygen dissociation curve. So oxygen dissociation curve. So you notice this in the alveoli, isn't it? Second one, A2, B3, oxygen dissociation curve is noticed in hemoglobin. Caronic carbonic anhydrase, it is interacting with the RBC. Okay. Then D, the primary site of exchange of gases, alveoli. So pneumotaxic center, pons region of brain, oxygen dissociation curve, hemoglobin, carbonic anhydrase with RBC, primary site of exchange of gases, alveoli. So first one is the correct option. Okay. So 132nd, which is the basis of genetic mapping of human genome as well as DNA fingerprinting. Okay, so what is the basis of it? The polymorphism in DNA sequence. Okay, so the polymorphism in the DNA sequence. That is the basis of genetic mapping of human genome as well as DNA fingerprinting. Okay, so VNTR is variable number of tandem repeats. So all that you should remember. And polymorphism in DNA sequence is the basis of genetic mapping of human genome as well as DNA fingerprinting. So which of the following conditions causes erythroblastosis fetalis? Mother Rh negative and fetus Rh positive. So mother Rh negative and fetus Rh positive, that causes this erythroblastosis fetalis. Okay. All vertebrates are chordate, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Why? See, all vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrates. Why? So the reason is notochord is replaced by vertebral column in adults of some chordates, especially vertebrates. Okay, whereas in other chordates, the urochordates, cephalochordates, they'll be having notochord. But in case of vertebrates, so notochord is replaced by vertebral column. So that is the reason all vertebrates are chordates, but all the chordates are not vertebrates. This is the reason notochord is replaced by vertebral column in adult of some chordates like human beings. Match the following column mammals you can take in general. So match the following columns and select the correct option. Gout. So what is this gout? Accumulation of uric acid crystals. A3. Okay. So only one option is there, A3. B, osteoporosis. So B1, decreased level of estrogen is reason for osteoporosis. Tetany, low calcium ions in the blood. C2. D, muscular dystrophy. D5, it is a genetic disorder. The development of muscles is late, it does not happen. So, this muscular dystrophy is a genetic disorder. A3, B1, C2, D5. So, that option is in second option. Okay, so that completes our discussion of this NEET second phase 2020 paper, which was conducted in the month of October for the corona affected students who could not take up NEET first phase exam. For them, it was conducted. If you have analyzed the complete paper, you find that all the questions here, except for 3 or 4 questions, all of the questions are from within the NCERT syllabus. So you should be geared up for the wide variety of questions that could be asked from this first and second year syllabus of uh, PU or first 11th and 12th of CBSE NCERT books. So be thorough there. If you have learned and enjoyed from this video and gained the knowledge from this video, kindly subscribe to my channel and also forward it to your friends, because only with more such subscribers and more likes and more comments, it's a catalyst for the channel to continue further in a better way. So thank you. So wishing you the best for your upcoming NEET examinations. See you all. Bye.